Alright, so giving this Super View wide boat a try. It might look different. I don't know. But I got some new wheel spacers. These are 1 inch. The ones I got on the Mustang right now are 2 inch. So they're a little too much poke than I like. So I'm gonna downgrade to 1 inch to see how that looks. But I gotta get out there, move the probe out of the garage so I have space to work, put my wheels back on, and go from there. The boy's out test driving his Mustang, showing Grandpa his shifty. Did you kill it? No? Uh-oh. I got on footage. I got on footage. Hey, thief! I just got done pushing that thing. The battery died in it because I left the key on. The battery died on the Bronco because I left the key on.
Oh.
So I'm kind of out of breath. Spacers. Let's get this probe here moved out. Hopefully it's not dead either. Always a mess out here. Always a mess. Coming through. Ugh. Jeez Louise. How do I ever fit in this thing? The good old probe here. It has a misfire or something going on with the... It's got a crazy idle, but if I give it a little gas, it'll stay running long enough to move it out. There, a little bump. Watch the mirror. I'll do a video review on this thing once I get it up and running right. But anyways, got the wheels here. That's for this side. You gotta pop these off, put those on. To switch out the spacers while we're at it. So Mustang's been sitting in here for probably 2 or 3 weeks. I need to get it up and functional because on the F-150 I got new cats to put on, so that's gonna get in line after I do the wheels. People are ripping it in the Mazda. Zoom zoom. Oh, that's all you're gonna give me? Boo! You suck. Alright, let's get busy here. Oh no, I got the chrome socket. Oh, wrong side. Ain't one there. Wrong side. Alright, it's a 21 then. Ow! Woo! There's a jack handle down there. It's about as worse as the freaking tow hitch on the truck.
Yeah. So would you get some 1 inch or 1.5 inch?
1 inch. I got some 1 inchers. Yeet.
Oh, they're blue.
Fancy.
With real lug nuts.
Hey, they're the same as those. Actually, those are a little bigger. I guess they would have to make these shorter.
What?
I guess they would have had to make these shorter than those.
Oh, yeah, I will.
Because this is a 1 inch, so they had to make them an inch shorter. An inch shorter. Kitty. Kitty.
No.
Hi, Kitty. Kitty. Why'd you make a mess of my shop? I know it was you. No! Damn it. I was afraid of that. I'm a bitch.
Wrong inside diameter.
The bore. Yeah, it's not going around this.
Okay. Well, if I knew somebody that had access to machinery that could make that hole just a little bit bigger, all we need to know is what size.
About that size. That thing's shrinky dinky. Alright. It's another lovely day here in Iowa. Yay. You interrupt me, bitch! Welcome back to a new day at the shop. Yesterday wasn't very productive. I'll kind of give you an example. I tried to put these spacers on and they didn't fit. Supposedly these are not meant for Mustang, which when I ordered them they said they were, but the bore size, which would be the center part here, is way too small. Well, when I clicked on my history, I was looking at these to see what the heck, if I ordered the wrong ones or if they sent the wrong ones. They sent the right ones. I just ended up ordering the wrong ones because when I scrolled down it said that this product does not fit the Mustang, and I did not see that at the time because I ordered them at like 3 in the morning. Yeah, yesterday I kind of got away with did a lot more talking than I did work, so it kind of just poof. But today temperature is like 40 degrees colder. It's windier, it's cloudy, it's just miserable. But that's where I'm at with the Mustang. The Mustang, it was just to put the wheels on and get it out of the shop, but I'm just gonna leave it in because they're expecting thunderstorms and stuff tonight. I'm gonna bring my son's car in. He got a Mustang over there. We'll get that pulled in. That's my alarm. And I don't know, I don't think there's room for the Bronco in here really. It'll be fine outside. Probe will be fine outside. Kind of just organize a little bit. And then, yeah, trim up these fenders real quick. And probably this video is going to be jumping around, so you might see what I did yesterday next, or the day I do tomorrow might be next, or the stuff I do tomorrow might be before you see this part. So I don't know, it's gonna be a chopped up crazy video from day to day. It's probably gonna be a week's worth of video all crammed into one little tiny video because I ain't getting shit done. So fun stuff. Run, kitties. It's cold outside. So, yeah. It's time for me to go get the Knuckles from school, so we'll see y'all in a little while.